Okay, guys, so let's continue, right? We have again work on the feature button and the delete button, right? Two things left for updating our job list, right? So first I'm going to check the code. Let me go back and check the code. So I have added in earlier, right, for our last button, I believe. Uh, okay, just look at that one, right? That video. Uh, After that, right? Let's see here. What is the next one? Toggle job listing. Okay, that is done. Done. Now we feature, right? Okay, let me make next. We will add the feature button. Okay. So let me. I cannot update. I will update this one, right? Make it maybe bold. Okay. So the feature toggle button. This is the function, right? Again, this function will take, like is featured like true or false and the ID, right? Basically, this is a type definition. This is a boolean and this is a string. Okay. Now we define the button in separate file, separate call it variable, right? Where we using action button, correct? And we're going to use this button later, right? So in this one, see the action function is here. Toggle list feature, right? This is the action. Basically, that action function will go to the server and update, or basically go to the database and update, right? Okay, with this ID. So that is the action button we will look at later. And also we have the toggling button, right, in the client side. Okay, like the button, the function to be toggle, okay, based on the whatever boolean value we provide, right? So these are the two things inside this button. We will use this later. Okay, so now async if, again the same function. The condition will be, right, first we check has our org user permission or not. Okay, this is what we're gonna check, right? That is the first thing. And then if is feature, see now we have boolean value true or false, right? If true, then add this button, else do this, right? So here again we have a condition with passing the is mixed, right, and return whatever the opposite of this value, either true or false, right? So again we call this function, right, has reached maxed feature job list, so we have to look at that function also. And then this is the popover, right, like upgrade popover. Okay, remember the popover, like the component where we have created using satcn, right? So we're gonna use that. That is all. And then again, see, this is feature toggle button text, right? This is the function we have to create. So first what I will do, right, I'm gonna copy this and add this in our code. Okay, so that will go inside here. Let's go back, right? So in the page, right, where we're gonna add, let me check. So markdown partial. Okay, that is fine. We are status button. This is the status button, right? The toggle button for the status. Okay, we have done that. Upgrade popover, right? So what I will do, I'm just gonna add maybe below here. Okay, so this will be for feature, right? Feature button. Now I will check things what we are missing, right? Has reached max feature job listings. So I need to find that code, right? So it will be here. Okay, has reached max, that is the publish, right? Has reached max feature job listing. So I will import that one. So again, that's is just checking, right? Checking the features table if there is already reached the maximum number of job, right? So that's what it is checking. Okay, guys, admit. So if you look at here, Again, same thing, it will get the organization ID, right? If no organization ID, it will be, where is the feature one? Okay, this one, right? Same process, okay? What we talked earlier, right? Get feature job listing count again, and then it will check here. It will verify with these value, right? So that's the thing. So let me import has reached max feature job listing, right? I have to import that. So go on the top and it's from the same file. So I'll just put here, right? Has reached max feature job listing. That is one we get. What is the next thing? It's too much scroll. Toggle, right? Toggle job listing feature. Okay, so this is the action now. Action and also the feature toggle button text, right? So I have to find that also. Okay, I have to find that function. But let's get the action, right? So I need to go check if I have this function or not. Okay, first I will look for the action. Like this action button job is to call this function and pass the ID, right? When you update, when you click the feature button, you need to update the information in the table, right? Database table, and that's the action function to handle that. Okay, so toggle job listing feature, where are we going to find the action? Basically in our feature action, right? In this one. Okay, so I don't think that is the toggle job listing status, right? I don't think I have that code here, so I might get. So let me check for a action toggle job listing, right? That's the code. I will copy this and just put here. Okay, anything? No, I don't need this org, right? Fine. And also I need to get this has reached max feature job listing. I need to check here also. Okay, in this action, right? So let's import that. So on the top, again go back, has reached max publish job listing, but now I need has reached max feature job listing as well. Once I do that, anything else? No, right? So update job listing DB. Okay, update job listing DB, right? Yeah, so now, I mean, if you look at this code, it has the error objects, just the object, right? The value. And again, it will check for organization ID. If no organization ID, it will return error. Then job listings, we have the function, to get a job listing. If no job listing, error, return error, right? And then a new feature job, new feature status. Okay, so job listing dot is feature, right? So is there any feature job listing or not, true or false? Okay, we will get that. And after that, if condition, if has organization user permission, right? I mean, that is what we are checking. So we will get true or false, and then whatever the new feature job status, right? I mean, if both are, let's see, if no permission, right? I mean, let's say if no permission, you will get false. Then you have to make it true in order to, basically, yeah. If no has organization user permission, right? So either you're gonna get true or false, okay? And here we're just making opposite of that. And here also we're checking what in this one is like both must be true, right? In order to execute. Okay, so new feature status and then the maximum number reached or not, right? So that's what we are checking here. Okay, now next will be updated job listing DB, right? So in that one we just pass this function. Okay, So update job listing db, I think we have that function already, right? Update job listing db. Yeah, so that is what we are using. We have here already somewhere, this one, right? So that's good. I mean, we are using the same function in both places to update the db, right? So now I think I'm gonna import that uh, toggle job listing feature, right? Let's import that. Let me find the where I'm importing everything from the action. So okay, next let's check for the next error, right? Feature toggle button text. Okay, so this is the one we have to add now. Feature oh, where is that, right? Okay, Jack, just give me a second. Feature toggle button, right? So feature toggle button. Okay, okay, I don't think I have that code here, right? Status toggle button text. So it will be similar to this, right? Oh, feature. Okay, I have here. Okay, I don't know. Okay, that's fine. This is the one. Okay, so we will just keep it below the status toggle button text, right? This status toggle button text. Okay, so go back here. Where is the status toggle button text in the page, right? Status button, and then we have status toggle button text, right? It will be similar to this one. Okay, so feature toggle button. Uh, so what I will do, yeah, it should be there, and maybe I can put this function above, right? So let me go back. Control X. I'll just put it above somewhere here. Status toggle button, right? So I'll just put it here. Okay. Now we are missing the icon, right? Star of icon and star icon. Okay. So star of icon and star, right? Let me go and import that. Where is the icon? Uh, so it will be star of icon. That is the one, and the second one is, I think, star icon, right? Star icon. Stars, no s. Star. Is that just star icon? Yeah. So it should get rid of the error now. Let's see. Okay. Feature toggle button, and let's see. So now, right, what is the text? Here is the text. So it's working now. This is gonna receive the Boolean value here, right? True or false. And you can see the action. If it's feature, then display this, else return this, right? Okay. So that is all, I think, for the feature, right? I think the last one left is delete button. Okay, so let's check now, right? Oh, okay, we need to implement this also. Okay, so guys, let's do that. Just below the status update button on the top. Okay, please put this code. So copy that, because delete. Where is the delete? Not delete, but the our, that is the, this code, right? Just below that, add this. Okay. So here we're calling the status update button, and then we pass the job listing status, right? And ID also. If the job listing status equal to published, then only display this. I mean, feature will be what? Something published, right? If that is true, then only you're going to display the feature toggle button. Basically, you're going to display the button which you can toggle, right? Between published, sorry, feature or not feature, right? Okay, so next, I think the final button will be delete button, right? So let me go back and try to work on that. Again, for delete button, so we have update, right? We'll just start adding here, right? Before the text, okay? So go back here and we say add delete button now, right? So let's check the delete code. This is the delete code again. Oh, where is this, right? Just give me a second, right? Delete. So the div, we can add that. Okay, so this will be near the other one, right? The other button. Okay, so let's copy up to that point. So I need to find the div, okay, next to the other one, right? So see, this is the component where we are displaying everything. So let me think of where I'm gonna add, right? I think this will be, like maybe, right? Let's see, disclose this button. What is that? That's the title. That is the badge for job listing. Next is edit, right? That is the edit. So the edit will close here. I think I will just put here, right? Let me try this. Put it here, okay? Yeah, it did not work. Control Z. Maybe I'll just put below this, okay? Again, what is the issue now? What is the complaint? Parent element, okay. Okay, I'm gonna test this first, right? And then I'll see where we're gonna add that delete button, okay? I have to find that out. So I will keep this video small, and then I'm gonna make it small, again, one more small video, right, for the delete button, okay, guys? Let me save this.